If you can believe it, election season is already upon us. And here in Greeley, we have a really exciting event coming up to help you become a more informed voter. I'm here with Barb, who's going to tell you all about a candidate forum coming to the city of Greeley. So, Barb, what is a candidate forum and why is the city putting it on?
Candidate forum is a place and time where the public can listen to candidates that are running for each of the offices. I believe there's a mayoral campaign, Ward 1 and 4, and an at-large position open on the city council. It gives everybody an opportunity to hear how they feel about the issues and what kind of experience and backgrounds and qualifications they have to run.
Okay, and I had this question for you when we were talking before. A forum is not a debate, right?
That is correct. Lots of times people see what they think is a forum as a debate. We are not going to have any interaction between candidates. They will each be answering questions, the same questions, so that you can compare how the candidates feel about each of the issues they're being questioned about.
Okay, so on that note, where do these questions come from? You know, if someone wants to come attend, should they come with questions the night of? How does that work?
Well, there's a couple ways. The league develops some questions based on what we think are some of the current issues in the community and the hot topics. But we also have a way that you can submit questions, and there will be a website posted on the city website advertising this event where they can submit questions ahead of time, and we will collect questions in the audience here in person by people circulating 3x5 cards.
Okay, so someone wants to attend. Here's what they can expect. They can either come live, they can watch it at home later. Tell me a little bit more about the operation the night of and how people can feel prepared to attend the forum.
All right, well, they can attend here in the city council chambers in person. It's from the forum begins at 6:30 till 8. But they need to get here early to get prepared. The candidates can have literature, but it'll be outside of the city council chambers. They can also be prepared to watch it live on TV, on GTV8. And also, if they don't have an opportunity to catch it either one of those times, there will be some live streaming of the event afterwards on a regular basis up until election time.
Wonderful. And so what night is this? If someone wants to catch it when it's happening, be here in the room where it happens, like they say on Hamilton. When are we doing this?
We are doing it Thursday night, September 28th.
Okay, Thursday night, September 28th. Be here at 6:30. If you want to get a good spot in the audience, the doors open at 6 o'clock. Or watch from your living room. That's fine too. You know, have some popcorn, tune in, get to know your candidates a little bit better. And like Barb said, if you can't catch it the night of, that's okay. We will be streaming it on YouTube and on GTV8 for you to catch it anytime that works for your schedule leading up to Election Day. Okay, Barb, so tell me a little bit more about the role of the audience member in this. We were talking about volunteering. You don't need volunteers for this.
No, what we need is some good listeners and to really be prepared and understand and know a little bit more about what your city does and how you want your elected officials to represent you.
That is so helpful. We want informed voters in this city, which brings me to my next big question. Barb, who's putting this on? Tell me a little bit about the league.
All right. Well, I've been a member of the league for quite a while, actually 30 years. And I'm the voter service coordinator. We have several events that we have throughout the election season. One is a candidate forums that we sponsor, and the city election is one of them. We also do information on ballot issues, both state and local. We held information meetings on those. We can also do that if you request them. We register voters. We get all the voter education information out to the voters as much as we can. So we want them to vote, and then more importantly, we want them to know what they're voting about.
And this is the League of Women Voters, and you told me something really important before we started chatting here. This is a non-partisan organization, correct? We want anyone, regardless of their stance on the issues, to just know what they are, be informed when they head to the ballots, right?
That is correct, and the voter service part of our organization is designed for education, and that's for anybody from any party or no party, and we are not taking any positions. We are inviting everybody from all parties and candidates, and they're all treated equally during the forum.
Wonderful. And if people want to learn more about the league, or if they need more information about maybe they're voting for the first time and they need to register, where can they go?
Well, first of all, our website for the League of Women Voters of Greeley-Weld County is LWV Greeley-Weld County, all one word, .org.
Wonderful. And if they just want to know more about all of the issues on the ballot this season, where can they go?
Well, our great resource for our state, it's a national website, but it also has all the races, all the ballot issues, information about candidate forums on vote411.org.
Wonderful. All right. So whether you attend the forum live in person on September 28th, whether you watch it later, or you go online to one of these websites to find more information, we hope that the League of Women Voters helps you feel prepared this election day. So either go to lwvgreeleyweldcounty.org, vote411.org, or join us here at City Center South on September 28th at 6:30 p.m. to attend the candidate forum for the city of Greeley.